Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo at Rainmaker Lawyer Consulting, and today we're going to discuss the basics of follow-up and how they can play into your marketing plan. Now, follow-up is really important because this is where all your money is made. Your initial marketing communication may result in 2 or 3 people raising their hands and saying that they want to work with you. But the rest of your clients will come from your follow-up process in one way, shape, or form. So let's talk about the 5 elements of really solid follow-up. First and foremost is frequency. Frequency of communication builds trust. So the more often you can communicate with a client or potential client, the better your marketing plan is going to work. Communication frequency is critical to success because it builds trust. Imagine seeing someone every day or every week in the same place at the same time. You would start to rely on them to be in that place at that time. That's what frequency of communication can do for you. It can help you build trust in your relationship with your potential clients. The second is a tone of authority. You must take an authoritative tone in your communication with prospective clients. People want to be led, and they're looking to you to be the leader when it comes to the legal resources that you have at your disposal. You have to help them understand where they need to go and how they need to get there. So that tone of authority is critical. The third component is including educational content. You have to educate your clients on what it takes to resolve their current issue. You have to educate your clients on how to choose an attorney to make sure they pick the right one, and you have to educate them on what they need to do at specific times in order to resolve their issue. Education is the underlying component of everything we do when it comes to marketing. Educational marketing is absolutely critical because it establishes credibility and it creates an authority relationship between you and the client. The next point is the pain that the client is feeling. You have to speak to that pain and highlight it. If the client has an issue they need resolved, you have to help them understand why they need to get it resolved right away. Have to help them understand why it makes sense to resolve that issue now, today, rather than waiting a day, a week, a month, or a year. Getting to the point of pain is absolutely essential, and it's critical to helping your client get the results he or she wants. Most people do not respond right away to any type of motivation. They procrastinate. So helping them understand just how important it is to resolve that point of pain can get them over procrastination. Finally, the last essential component of any follow-up campaign is a call to action. You have to tell your client what the next steps are. They will not figure it out on their own. If you just educate them, highlight their pain, and leave them alone, they're going to be wandering around looking for someone to help them. It's up to you to tell them how they can be helped, and it's up to you to offer to help them. Do that by creating a strong call to action, something along the lines of, you need to call me right away to get this resolved. That's fine. You have to get the call to action in there, or the client won't know what to do next. You owe it to them to give manageable next steps to this process. Those are the basics of follow-up, and follow-up is essential to the success of your law firm marketing campaign. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great tips just like these, you can find me at rainmakerlawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.